Open dumping can cause the serious environmental problems at the waste-to-energy plant. This project is highly efficient incinerator for power generation as a core for waste treatment, can improve neighboring environment and reduce greenhouse gas emission. Renewable energy also can recover in terms of electricity, steam and chill water. Waste-to-energy was covered by the feed-in tariff FIT system. According to statistics of Energy Commission of Malaysia, IPP is operation in 2010 had a generation capacity around of 14,800 megawatt and 70% of the entire capacity Peninsular Malaysia is around 21,800 megawatt.
The three locations have been selected as candidate construction sites, which are Jeram Selangor, Tanjung Lesat Johor and Bukit Payung Johor. There are important factors in deciding contents of this project, which is amount of municipal solid waste that generate. In Selangor, we estimate the amount of municipal solid waste generated is 7,000 tons per day, while in Johor, we found there were 520 tons per day from Ladang CEP1 and 719 tons per day from Tanjung Lesat landfill site. In this project, we estimate the plant will be able to produce 20 MW to 24 MW to power about 24,000 households in Selangor. The Jeram plant will estimate 1,200 tons per day of municipal solid waste, while in Johor, Bukit Payung plant will estimate 600 tons per day of municipal solid waste, and the Tanjung Lesat plant will estimate 800 tons per day of municipal solid waste to generate electrical power. The figures show about the construction of waste-to-energy plant.
Energy generation from waste is one of the ways to reduce waste in our country. Generally, the waste will undergo burning process, releasing heat. The produced steam is to spin the turbine to generate the energy. The remaining gas released will be treated according to the allowable safety index before it is released to the environment. Suitable equipment with the latest technology are needed to ensure that the projects are well managed and will benefit all consumers and stakeholders. Here are some of the scope assumptions. First, staff and trade with the required expertise will be hired. Second, material and equipment will be ordered based on requirement. Third, enough information will be available for initial budget and schedule forecast. Fourth, the detailed description of the project based on the client requirement is in place. The work breakdown structure or WBS shows the hierarchical tree structure that outlines the work for our project. Whereas the organizational breakdown structure or OBS shows the hierarchical model describing the established organizational framework for project planning.
Management. There are a few risks that should be concerned by project manager in order to finish this project. The first one is technical risks such as difficulties in implementing new technology. Besides, system and services disruption will affect our project and there are a potential of emission of exhaust gases the incineration process. Lastly, there are also risks in economic aspect where the price of materials would suddenly increase caused by country economic issue. There are a few strategies that can be done to overcome the risk. Firstly, we may hire experienced workers to lead fresh grads to further study in that field. Then, the risk can be reduced by monitoring and service the equipment by the maintenance annually.
Cost management. Cost management is concerned with the process of planning and controlling the budget of a project. It covers the full life cycle of a project. Resource planning. Initially, the required resources to complete the project activities need to be defined. WBS can be used to define which physical resources are needed, such as the constructive materials, the sites, the equipment, and the labours. Cost estimating and budgeting. The cost estimate defined as the cost of each work activity while the budget allocates the cost over the time period when the cost will be incurred. Table shows the estimating cost of our project, which is 62.23 million per plant.
Quality and regulation. The process that certify food needs and good without affect the environment. There are a few acts. First, Solid Waste Disposal Act. In response, Congress passed Act as part of the amendment to the Clean Air Act. Next, Environmental Quality and Regulation Act. Waste include any matter prescribed to be reduced waste to cause pollution. Number 3, Solid Waste and Public Greening Management Act. The key aspects are local authorities are involved in industry companies, integrate system of solid waste management, and priorities to 3R. And the last one, local government and district degradation and building arts. For your information, now it is under Management Corporation Act.